Security agency don't arrest men wey go blind scam. In fact, the English is just too much for my head. They say they scam all these job scammers. But this one no get anything to do with rape. I make una calm down. They say for Ondo State, 42 Hausa youth. They say they scam them. They first promised them, oh yeah, make a first give una the name. This one say now is number one confusion wey enter my head because now they say the person name na Ayo. Where that same person come be doctor, that same person come still be reverend father. In fact, I'm gonna go hear about myself, but make a just they call her Ayo they go. Ayo na the head of this whole scam team. So this guy now can't send a fake security job alert to one oil company. They say the oil company itself no exist, first of all. As he send them, now so the 42 youths where they talk about Hausa youths, now so they say they apply. Oh, I don't know when Hausa, I don't talk anything. Now so they apply. So they can't tell them, say, okay, since una don't apply, una go need come to Ondo for this job. I don't know whether an interview, but they say me they come to Ondo. As they go Ondo, this Ayo guy don't already forward another call. He tell them say these people where they call apply, he can't change the matter. He say they be what did they call it? Boko Haram people. Ondo people don't already did stand by the way for them, say they slaughter them. Una fit imagine inside Nigeria. Now so they can't catch them. Bam. It remains small. These 42 people for don't die. I beg, I bring upon aside because I don't want to waste my time anymore. Join me, make you watch the video.
Account number.
Ayo, sir.
No, who gave it to me?
Ayo.
Who gave that account number to me?
Ayo. You use your own phone number to send you the account number. I don't lie, sir. Ask Ayo.
The telephone number I was calling, who was using it that time I was coming?
Okay, Ayo, make
Who was using that telephone number to be giving me direction?
Ayo direct you and he give me the phone number asking you, sir.
Answer the question of directly.
No, sir. No, sir.
You. Are you a reverend? So why did you tell me you're a reverend? Okay, it's part of the way you operate. And then you bring the office of the reverends to disrepute. Who wrote that letter to the army commander? So who wrote the letter to army commander? You wrote. So who signed it? So who is Dr. Folajimi Williams? You are Dr. Folajimi Williams. So who is Reverend Bayo? So you are Reverend Bayo and you are Dr. Folajimi Williams. So you were changing your voices at different locations. Okay. And then who are you?
My name is Engineer Desmond from Ugwemu.
Are you the one that asked us to be coming to move our men, about 600 of them, to Ondo State?
Yes, I was Reverend Bayo.
You are the Reverend Bayo who asked us to mobilize our men all over the Federation and move them to Ondo State. And you wrote a letter to the Ondo State Army Commander and said that he has given clearance. And the same you collaborated and asked somebody to come there and tag them Boko Haram members for them to be slaughtered. The same you.
Only you, doctor. Use this same you, reverend, at the same time. My brother, I bet which school you go because I would like to join that school. I don't know, but this thing, it sounds somehow. I dey feel say something fishy they go on inside this place. I don't know why, but I bet if you know say you dey feel the same way I dey feel, when I know say the chemistry is real between you and I bet make person start dey tell me because I dey suspect say something is wrong. 42 Hausa men, abi boys, they go for job, security job together, same trip, they enter same car, they reach there say wait, I no understand. 42 of them, they be brothers. Abi, they be. I beg, I don't know how they ask for the same location. Now, no, they perceive something. I beg, see, my people. I don't know whether na me. I don't know whether na. Okay, make I know because now go tell me say I'm Aproko. I focus on people's lives. I beg, I go focus on their life. But first of all, I notice say. These people quickly react. And they talk about people who don't arrest this reverend and doctor. They quickly react. Why? I don't know whether na because Buhari's nephews dey involved. I don't know. I know come fight, but you be waiting. I don't observe. Now only God be our strength for this Nigeria. See how sharp. They don't carry person. Security don't enter matter. They don't. If na another person get this kind of issue now, it go take them 1 week before they go come, before they go start the question them before. No, we know, but no problem. Oh, no problem. All lives matters. So therefore, if you ask me now, my own opinion on this matter be say, may they arrest the Reverend Father and Doctor with co-people. In fact, if it's possible, say I don't want all those someone una go dey arrest. Yes, now they pass judgment now because una go tell me now say because they be these people, Buhari people, I don't want pass judgment. Oh yeah, they go arrest them. But I still they suspecting something fishy. I beg, I don't know. See, anytime where they feel like this, it's not true. For Nigeria now, killing don't become simple thing. Killing now like say they drink Fanta. You cross leg, like you don't understand. You know they move, nothing they shell. Like you just day, you feel just keep and see, nothing happen. Gone are the days, even to kill mosquito save you go. Hey, make you know that yo. Oh, now, God, I don't know why God just too deep patient. Like I know, I beg my people, make una dey careful. We never even finish the settle the job scam where key one get that get in your bond. We never finish settle that. Another job scam don't come again, bam. Something dey fishy. Now the third time why they talk this thing with this Aboki, they find job online. Ha! I don't know, but something. And now, no worry, I go still bring her. I go come give una the latest. Say these 42 people. Now like this it happen. Now like this it no happen. Now go agree with me. Say for this Nigeria, now we be our own problem. Imagine a fellow Nigerian they scam another Nigerian. It don't they happen since. We are our own problem. And I go repeat it again. Unless you now stop this thing. Forget all this voting. Forget all this. Because see, even if we vote Buhari government out, and this character still there our body, scamming ourselves, killing ourselves, raping ourselves. If this character still continue, even if we change government 100 times, my people, it is in us. So until we change that thing, so forget that one. You understand? Me now, my own take be this. No argue with me. Just state your own for that side, and I go reply on one by one. Yes, and now for this Friday, the surprise we have been there hope for now. It they happen this Friday, so no more guessing. No stress yourself. They think of who they call, who not they call. This very Friday. Now, why you need subscribe? If not, you not gonna know who are they talk about. And still help us share this video. Make everybody know what they happen now for Nigeria on those states to be specific. Yes. And if you never subscribe, wait till the wait for. Just click on that bell so that you not gonna miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.